that will be realized in pure consciousness. As you can see your material body with a mirror, a darpan, you can see your spiritual body with the mirror of consciousness. That's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, his first teaching, his first instruction, when he left the instructions, he says, Cheto Darpana Marjanam. Cheto Darpana Marjanam Bhava Mahadavagni Nivapanam. He says that this Cheto or Chit, consciousness must become marjan, must become purified. By what? By the process of chanting the mantra. This mantra is his mantra Oshadi. It purifies the consciousness. So when the consciousness is pure, then we can see ourselves, and we can see the super self, the self and the super self, the soul and the oversoul, the Atma and the Paramatma. So that's called self-realization. Self-realization means to see yourself. What does it mean to see yourself? Oh, I saw myself. Oh, I mean you saw your body in the mirror. Yes, and you can see the condition. In the same way, when the consciousness is pure, you can see the spirit soul, the form. As we see our material form in a material mirror, in the mirror of consciousness, we see our spiritual form and the form of God. This is the meaning of self-realization. So there's a process to attain that realization, and that's called yoga. And our yoga is bhakti yoga, yoga of love or devotion, which is principally based on the glorification of the Lord through song and dance. Because the name is Pavitram. The Lord is Pavitram. Om apavitra pavitrava saravasam gatoviva yak smerit pundarigaksham saba yavyantara suchi Sri Vishnu Sri Vishnu Sri Vishnu. Whether one is apavitra, impure, or pavitra, pure, so-called pure, if he remembers Pundarikaksha, if he remembers the lotus-eyed Krishna, then he will become totally transcendental, totally pure. This mantra is there. So this, we're just discussing that to get released from false ego, one has to worship Sankarshan.